Living in Nigeria is very hard because things are expensive and their prices keep going high every day. So the only way to go is to get extra source of income to support the source of income you already have so you can afford to live a healthy life and be able to afford the things you need. So on this video, I'm going to be sharing with you business models that you can do with no money, like all for free, to be able to earn extra source of income and how to do them. All you need is just your phone and internet. So there are no jobs around, but a lot of people have smartphones and internet. Most times they just use it to watch videos and laugh and make themselves happy without knowing that they can actually make some money with just their phone or laptop and the data they have in their phone. So I'm going to teach you how you can actually do these things step by step so that you know where to get started. So the first business model I want to talk about is called print on demand. You may have heard of print on demand, but unfortunately, these services are not really being rendered in Nigeria at the moment. Although I got a news about a company that is partnering with Canva to bring print on demand in Nigeria. However, there are some companies online like Redbubble, like Printify, Printful, that are working in some other countries where you get to like get art and upload to these sites. And when people like this art, they translate into clothing, mugs, any of those products that people may like to have their art printed on it. So it's actually called print on demand because it's produced once a customer demands for it. So that is why it's called print on demand. So basically what you do is you get an artwork that is quite beautiful and appealing, and you know that people may like to have them imprinted on their clothes or on their mugs or whatever it is they have. You can have it on the face cap, the bags, whatever product you may want to imprint any of those arts on. And then once people like this art and want to have them on their clothes, all you do is to imprint those arts on their clothes and sell it to them. So I know you may be wondering how you're going to be able to start up this business for free. So I'm going to tell you how to do that. So the process to get started is you have to have your business plan and know what it entails to be able to do this. First of all, you have to make market survey about these clothes or the mugs or wherever you know that you may have to imprint some of these arts on, like the face cap. You go for market survey to know how much they're being sold in the market, and you also go to people that print these things and know how much it's going to cost for them to imprint any of these arts on these objects when you bring them to them to imprint on them for you. So you know that this is how much it's going to cost you to go to get all these things and have the arts imprinted on them. So once you have this, then you're ready to move on to the next step. So the next step is to get your art. And I know you may be wondering how you're going to get an art. You're not an artist, and you know how you're going to do this. If you're an artist, it's actually an edge. But if you're not an artist, you just head over to this site called Canva, and it's all for free. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can actually click and it takes you to Canva so that you start creating, and you can teach yourself how to use this website by just playing around with it. Then you learn how to create your art. It's just so easy to use. So to do this, you just head over to Canva. Alright, so this is Canva. If you want to make a design on clothes or t-shirts, you select this one that has t-shirt. If you want to select the design you want to print on mugs, here you select mug. So for t-shirt, click here, create blank. So it will give you a workspace where you can do whatever work you want to do. You just create your design, or even if you want to use text, you use text. So if you want to use this as your design, once you're done manipulating the way you want to, you just click here for share, and then your design will be downloaded into your device, and then from there you can take it to upload wherever you want to upload it. So once you're done creating your design on Canva, the next thing to do is you take that design you created and go to another website called Placeit. Now, Placeit is a website where you get to have mock-ups you can actually use to show your intending customers how the design is going to look when you imprint it on the clothes or the mugs you're going to be using to sell to them. So that way, it's going to help you market your products very well. So this is Placeit. You can see you can upload your designs, whether it's if you're having mug or t-shirts or hoodie, whatever it is. You just click and upload. Take for instance, if I want to use this one to create my mock-up,
So all I need to do is insert image. I'll upload the image for my design. See, this is going to show you how your design is actually going to be by the time you've printed your image on it. You can download this picture and use it to make your advert together with the main picture, the art you already have. Then you use it to like advertise to your intending customers to buy. Just download it here.
So once you're done with place it, you head over to your social media platforms. This is where you get to place these mock-ups and the art and advertise these clothes or whatever it is you're going to be using for the product you're going to be selling. You advertise it to your audience on your social media platforms, and if they are interested in any of this, then they pay upfront. That is why you don't need to use your money to start this business, because if they're interested, they pay upfront. You tell them the time it's going to take for the production and the delivery. However, you need to be very careful with this business, because for you to survive, you have to be honest and sincere to people, knowing that this is business you're going to build on trust. That way, once you tell them this is how it's going to look when they get this product, make sure it looks that way. If you tell them this is the time it's going to take to deliver, make sure you deliver at that time, so that you can build trust and people can be able to like patronize you anytime you place your advert. However, you also have to put in consideration the logistics is going to take you to, produce these things while you're putting the price tag for it. Also, make sure that it is affordable. Make sure that you specify the quality of the clothes or products you're going to be selling to them, so that they have these things in mind, and so that you see yourself building a business that you're going to grow over time. Maybe over time, if you're able to make profits, you can start producing these things ahead of time before advertising, placing your adverts on your social media platform. You can also start this business by using people around you, your friends, your family. If they like it, they can actually help you to advertise, to their friends, knowing that they know the person doing this and they can actually trust the person producing these things. So print on demand is a very good business, and you can actually start it without any money. So the second business model you can actually do without money is called affiliate marketing. And I know some of you may have heard affiliate marketing. It's more like you promoting someone else's business or product and getting a commission if people patronize them through you. So this is actually a very good business model. Most people don't even know that they can actually do this. So take for instance, if you are a tailor and people come to you to make clothes for them, and you know someone that sells fabric somewhere, you can go and meet the person and say, I can bring you customers to buy fabrics, but you're going to give me a particular commission for each sale you make through the people through me. Like, if the people I bring to you makes any sale, I'm going to have a particular commission. And if you reach an agreement with this person, so all you need to do is to work hard to be able to get people to buy anything or patronize any service of the person you're promoting their products or service through you, so that once they buy you, or once they ask them to come and render their service, you get a commission from them. This business model is something that is not people actually do it though, but they're not even conscious about what they're doing. While I was in you, I have a guy that does this. He's into tech, so what he does is he goes to people that sells laptop, tells them, I'm going to be bringing you customer. In fact, the guy advertises laptops from these people's shop on his social media platforms. If you're not close to him, you might think he opened a laptop shop. You won't really know that it's someone else's business he's promoting. And when people buy through him, he gets a commission. So you don't need any money to start up this business, and it's just easy. And if you look around you, you can actually see that there are people that are doing something that you can actually use as your or as a way of making your own money through commission. So you just have to look around you and think deep and make sure that whoever you're going to be promoting their business is someone you can actually trust, and someone that can actually be sincere and honest with you, so that even if someone you connected to them gets to buy from them, they can always tell you, so that you can come to get your commission. So the next business model I want to talk about is influencing. You can become an influencer, and all you need is just your phone and internet source. So to do this, you just create something that will get attention of people, because right now they say attention is the new currency. So all you do is you just make sure that you have a professional account, maybe on Facebook or Instagram, or wherever you know you're going to be posting your content for people to see. And if it's something that people are very much interested in, once you get to a particular threshold, you'll be able to get monetized and you start earning money. And when you grow your audience, brands can be coming to you for endorsements or for promotion of their products. That way, you also get money. So it's a very interesting thing. And right now, it is something that is making waves. And all you need is just your phone. You film yourself doing whatever. Take for instance, if you're someone that makes hair, you can actually film yourself making hair and then posting it on YouTube. You create a YouTube channel where you can actually show people how you make this hair, and you will be surprised that you will get audiences, like you get people subscribing to your channel. There are things you do. If you love making up, you can actually film yourself making up. If you love cooking, you film yourself cooking, and then when you grow your audience and reach a particular threshold, you get monetized. This is another way of making money without even knowing, and you can actually, if you're actually serious with this, it can actually turn to be a business for you. So the last business model I have to share with you is a very interesting one, because almost everybody can do it. Before I share that with you, please like this video if you're seeing value out of it already, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos from me as I make them. So the next business model is teaching. Are you surprised? No, I hope you're not surprised, because teaching is the new currency right now. You just go to a website I'm going to mention on this video, but all of us have our native languages, and you'll be very much surprised to know that a lot of people out there are actually willing to learn your native language, but they don't really know how or who to do it, like teach them the best way to understand it. So all you need to do is to sign up to this website called italki. It has a section for professionals and for community tutors. Community tutors are people that are not really a professional, like don't have certificates in teaching these languages, but they actually learned how to speak or write them while living in a community where these languages are spoken. So take for instance your Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba languages. You can actually teach to people that are willing to learn, and then you get paid. So all you need to do is just make sure that you're very good at it. You know how to communicate the language properly to people. You know how to engage your students, and then they pay you in dollars. That's the best part, and you just don't need any money to start this business. So all you need to do is just check out this website and then try to construct your own teaching model so that the students can get to understand you and be happy with what you're doing, and then you get your money as you keep teaching. And it's flexible because you get to um, set these things the way that it's not going to choke you up, like take up your time. You just have to plan yourself properly while using the website. So it's very good and you should check it out. So if you're looking for a job and you're qualified, you have everything it takes to get a job, but you can't find one, kindly check out this video. It's going to teach you how to get a job using AI. And please don't fail to like this video and subscribe to my channel once again, and I'll see you in the next one.